If you've been waiting this long for your refund, then most likely your tax return has been pulled aside for a review. A review is not necessarily always a bad thing, and it's not the same thing as an audit. An audit is a completely different animal. When your tax return is pulled aside for a review, that means the IRS found something wrong in it that they have to double check before they can release your refund. If you haven't received a letter yet, you will get one very soon, and they will tell you that your return is being reviewed and they need additional time to process it. The most common reason they hold a return up for review is generally because there might be some kind of typographical or some kind of data entry error. Maybe the W-2 was entered wrong, the withholding was entered wrong, so they want to check it against their sources. I've also seen tax return reviews where the IRS is asking for additional information to prove your eligibility, such as proof of head of household, proof of your dependents. Maybe they might even ask you for proof of your tax documents before they release your refund. Now, the proof of additional documents doesn't happen very frequently, only happens if they suspect some kind of fraud. But in any case, I would suggest that you not wait. You have to contact the IRS, find out what it is that's holding up your refund, and then also maybe you can make an appointment at the IRS office to do that, but the phone call will be the easiest option. Lastly, make sure your address is correct on your tax return and there's no errors or spelling mistake, because the only way the IRS will communicate with you is via mail.